Good morning, everybody. All bundled up because I got about a 4 mile downhill and it's only about 35 degrees. But once I get to the bottom of this, I'll have to take some of this off because we'll be going uphill for a little bit. But yeah, slept pretty good last night, and the plan today is to get to either Cherry Tree Shelter or the next shelter on the Iron Mountain Trail. We got about 13 miles or so to Dickey Gap, and soon after that's when we'll hop on the Iron Mountain Trail, which is it's single track trail. It used to be the AT, and it's open to bikes and hiking, and I've done it before, so I know that at least the first little bit be not too bad on a bike. So that's going to be the plan today, and we'll see which one we end up at. Up, everybody. So I'm just sitting here at the entrance to Hurricane Campground. They're all closed up, so there ain't no point going down there. Once the places in Virginia close up, they lock the bathrooms and turn the water off. So no point in going down that hill. But we only got about 1.2 or so left of this gravel road, and then we'll be at Dickey Gap. Then we're going to follow the road a little bit, and then we'll be on down our mountain trail. Once we get to Dickey Gap, we got about 6 miles to the first shelter, 10 miles to the second shelter. So we'll just go on how we feel when we get there, because I know the first part, getting to that first shelter, it's going to be pretty slow going because it's just kind of all uphill. But yeah, just want to get to the shelter tonight because it's supposed to get pretty chilly tonight and windy, and there's a chance of snow tonight. So it would be better if I could get to one of them 2 shelters, and that way my bike and everything can just stay dry, because I'll just put it in there with me. And yeah, won't have to worry about condensation and all that stuff, because it's supposed to get down to, I think, about 20, maybe. Well, that's in town. Depending on how high up I am, it's probably going to be in the teens.